Hello, Jordan. Are you going to talk? Lexi Lou, please. Goodness. Noisy kids. What are you doing? Oh, goodness. What are you doing? You get your arm stuck again. There. See? I saw that. I saw that. You're very dirty tonight. Messy, messy. Yeah, you get it stuck again. There. Now look, you're going to do it right back. Cuckoo. You're cuckoo. You're cuckoo.
I'm cuckoo.
Yep, Lexi's cuckoo too.